Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost a TikTok video from iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your TikTok application, and after that you just need to make sure that you are stay in the home section with the For You, which is the sections that containing a lot of video TikTok that are recommended by the TikTok algorithm for you compared to the preference of the content that you like. And after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the best video or content that you like. And whenever you found it and you want to spread them out by reposted, this is the way. Take a look on the right side and you will see this button, and after that you just need to go click it, and they will be bring you into several options to share this video. Then you just need to go click repost, and now you go already repost this content. So that's so simple and easy, right? So that's the way, guys, how to repost a video on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.